Hello students, welcome to ABC of Sociology class. Today we are going to discuss about some of the most important books and authors of sociology. Here we are not going to give any detailed description about books. We are just going to name the books and its author. Let's start the lecture. The first one is An Invitation to Reflexive Sociology by Pierre Bourdieu and Loic Vancont. The next book is Indian Society by S.C. Dubé. बहुत बार ये जो नाम है आप सुन भी चुके होंगे और साथ में ये बहुत सारे एग्ज़ाम्स में भी पूछा जा चुका है. Next is The Remembered Village by M.N. Srinivas. Next is From Mobilization to Institutionalization by T.K. Oman. उसके बाद जो बुक है वो है द डेथ ऑफ द फैमिली बाय डेविड कूपर. The sixth one is The Family and the Marriage in Britain by R. Fletcher. Next is Legitimation Crisis by Jürgen Habermas. And next is Untouchable God by Kancha Illich. I think ये आपके लिए शायद से नया हो ये बुक. Next is Dependence and Exploitation in Work and Marriage by D.L. Banker and S. Allen. नेक्स्ट इज़ सोशल चेंज इन मॉडर्न इंडिया बाय M.N. श्रीनिवास. ये भी काफ़ी फेमिलियर बुक है. हमने जो भी सोशोलॉजी पढ़ते हैं उनके लिए ये बहुत ही कॉमन नेम है और ये बहुत ही कॉमन बुक है जो कि हम पढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज़ द फ्यूचर ऑफ मैरिज बाय जे बर्नार्ड. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज़ द स्ट्रीट कॉर्नर सोसाइटी बाय वाइट. नेक्स्ट इज़ रूरल सोशोलॉजी इन इंडिया A.R. देसाई. अगेन वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट बुक जब भी हम सोशोलॉजी बात करते हैं, स्पेशली रूरल सोशोलॉजी. नेक्स्ट इज सोशोलॉजिकल इमेजिनेशन बाय राइट मिल्स. द गिफ्ट बाय मॉस. सेवेज माइंड बाय लेवी स्ट्रॉस. रूल्स ऑफ सोशोलॉजिकल मेथड, अगेन इम्पॉर्टेंट बुक बाय दुर्खाइम. Economy and Society by Max Weber. The Social System by Talcott Parson. A Black Byzantium Kingdom of Noob in Nigeria by S.F. Nadal. शायद से ये नहीं हो सकती है आपके लिए. Asylums by Irvin Guffman. Matrilineal Islam by Leela Dubé. Next is Cultural Symbiosis by Narayanan. Tribal Movement in India by K.S. Singh. The Modern World System by Emil Wallerstein. The Kinship Organization of India by Iravati Karve. Social Organization by C.H. Cooley. The Social Construction of Reality by Peter Berger and Thomas Luckman. The Presentation of Self in Everyday Life by Irving Guffman. Religion and Society Among the Coors of South India by M.N. Srinivas. The Communist Manifesto by Karl Marx. The Protestant Ethic and the Spirit of Capitalism by Max Weber. Next, The Civilizing Process by Norbert Elias. Distinction, a social critique of the judgment of taste by Pierre Bourdieu. Homo Academicus by Pierre Bourdieu. Madness and Civilization by Michel Foucault. Next is Discipline and Punish, the Birth of the Prison by Michel Foucault again. The Order of the Things by Michel Foucault. Next book is Bowling Alone, The Collapse and Revival of American Community by Robert D. Putnam. Next is The Tipping Point and Outliers by Malcolm Gladwell. Next is The Sources of Social Power by Michel Mann. Next, The Theory of Communicative Action by Jürgen Habermas. Next is The Philosophy of Money by George Simmel. Next is Risk Society by Ulrich Beck. Labor and Monopoly Capital, The Degradation of Work in the 20th Century by Harry Braverman. Next is The Selection from the Prison Notebooks by Antonio Gramsci. The Origins of Totalitarianism by Hannah Arendt. Next one is The Modern World System 1, Capitalist Agriculture and the Origin of the European World Economy in the 16th Century. This one is by Emil Wallerstein. Here it's not visible, sorry for that. So these are 50 books, most important books जो कि बहुत सारे competitive exams में अभी तक आ चुके हैं. So thank you for watching.